Hi, everybody. Today is a very, very special day, and I know you're going to enjoy what Joe has for you, but there's also going to be an announcement later, something super special about this very day.
Hi everybody, it's me again. I wanted to show you something I've been working on this morning. About a year ago, my son-in-law got me this small drill press. It's made by Craftsman. It's old. He got this for me for $1 at a garage sale. And I was at a tool store Sunday and I was pricing drill presses, and I thought, it's not something I really need all the time, taking up room in the garage, so I figured I'd rig this up. I have a 1/2-inch Craftsman drill. If you take these loose, this comes out like that. It works like this. And this knob here, you can lower it whatever height you want. So this morning I've been tinkering with this. It sits in here like this. This bar fits down against it to hold it up against tight. Just screw these things up. And it has a little bolt here that you can turn in and out to kind of level your drill. I've got a level on here that I can look at and get my bubble where I need it. I don't think I have this down quite yet. There. These things here you tighten up. I've got a bubble that you can get it level. Tighten these up. Kind of like that. And if I want to, it's a 1/2-inch drill, so I can put a 1/2-inch drill bit in it if I want to. I have a 3/8 drill, but it wasn't fitting on there very well, but this one here worked out better. I've got it plugged in. The only trouble is with something like this, some drills I used to make where you could turn a little button on your push button, to get different speeds and stuff. I'll have to rig up a piece of Velcro or something to push it. And pull this down. So I'll have to get something to push the button so that I can hold the material while I'm drilling it so that it doesn't fly around. See if I got a board here. There's a stick that I can use. This is where I'll have to adjust it, go down a little bit farther. Kind of like that. But I was pricing drill presses. They was running anywhere from $54 on up. Depends on how much you want. The neat thing about this is, if I say I want a taller one that would sit on the floor, this piece of pipe is a 2-inch pipe. I can loosen this bolt and that pipe would come out, and I can get a longer pipe if I want to. But this is what I've been tinkering with this morning. I thought it's something that I don't use all the time, so I didn't really want to take up room in the garage. This is portable. I can take it, drill off, and take it wherever I need to if I want to, and still use it and still not have to take this along. So that's all I got for today. Just thought I'd show you what I was messing with.
I love that Joe is participating more. Now that he's retired, he has not been idle very much at all. Today, February 24th, 2022, is my parents' 70th wedding anniversary. Both are still with us, and I've got some pictures from early in their marriage and some up to today. So enjoy that, and then we'll have a special good night for you. Mom and Dad were married February 24th, 1952. Dad was in the Air Force, and they were stationed in New Mexico and Alaska. And this is them today. Dad at 91, Mom at 89. They're just gorgeous. Good night, everybody.
Good night, everybody.
Be sure when you see somebody, give them a nice big smile and wave so that they know you've acknowledged them and that you are friendly. We love you. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good night. And just be friendly.